How to fix local volume on your iPhone. If you are experiencing low call volume on your iPhone, here are several things that you can try to fix this. So very first step is that you have to check the volume. So during a call, you have to press the volume up button on the side of your iPhone to increase the volume. Ensure your iPhone volume is up in the setting. Also, you can check for the control center. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen and here you can find the volume and you have to increase and maximize it. On the number second, if your phone is connected to a Bluetooth device which might be routed to that device, so the sound might be routed to that device, you have to go for your setting and you have to turn off your Bluetooth. Here you can see that. So if that doesn't work, make sure to update your iPhone. So download the latest version or iOS in your device, go for your setting and tap on general option, go for the software update. If there is any update, you have to update your iOS. Also, you have to ensure that your do not disturb mode is not enabled. So you have to turn off this mode. And if that not work, you have to go back here and go for your general option and tap on the transfer or reset your iPhone. So you have to just go for the reset all setting, which won't delete your data. It will only reset the Wi-Fi password, wallpaper, and the app icon. So you have to just go and restart your device, which may fix the minor issues. So press and hold the power button and the volume up or down button at the same time until the slider appears. Then you have to just go and slide the power off here and you can turn the phone back on for a few seconds. So if the issue continue, it might be a hardware problem with the speaker or the microphone. In that case, you can reach out to the Apple support or any of the store for the further assistance. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.